what's up everyone? This is Stephanie from MTG Mountain Talk, and this is a short video series where I wanted to show those of you interested in getting started in Magic the Gathering how to get rolling and how to play the game. MTG Arena is Magic the Gathering's newest online game space, which currently includes the format Standard and Historic, as well as Draft and other constructed formats, and all sorts of other really cool ways to play the game. Magic the Gathering started out as a paper-based card game in the 1990s, and one of the biggest complaints people have today is that players can't get a lot of playtime in, or they don't have a really good local game store community to provide services that they want. Today, there are a few options for playing Magic the Gathering through computer programs that allow you to connect with players all over the world in just a few minutes. While formats that allow you to play older cards, such as Pioneer and Modern, are currently only playable on MTG Online or MTG Go, standard playable cards see heavy action in MTG Arena, also called MTGA. One of the biggest concerns that myself and other players have about MTGA is there aren't a lot of ways to invest in paper that translate into some sort of online investment in the game. So there's an expectation that you have to pay a lot of money online to buy digital cards when you've already purchased the paper cards in real life. However, one of the ways that they've dealt with this is to have challenges and all sorts of really cool ways to earn cards and booster packs through Arena, by allowing you to play decks and join in events with opponents very quickly and play casually, eventually building up your collection so you can play competitively. While I'll go into more details in later videos in the series, I definitely want to keep them short for those of you who are at different stages in your learning process with Arena. So this video is going to focus on how to install the game and create an account. As of September 2019, you actually have to have a Windows-based computer in order to install and run the game. However, it is projected that Mac OS users are going to be able to install and run the game sometime in 2020. The first thing I want to talk about in this video is hardware and tech that you're going to need to run the game. Really, the game is not that intensive, and some of the updates they did earlier this week really help out with processing requirements. I've had a lot of success playing it on my laptop, but if you're using a laptop, I highly encourage you to have a mouse rather than using the touchpad, as it's not quite as responsive. However, at this time you actually do have to have a Windows PC rather than something like a Chromebook or a Mac, and at this time there is no plan for moving forward with a tablet-based format for gameplay. When you're ready to install MTG Arena, head to magic.wizards.com/en/MTG Arena and click the Play Now button. This will download an executable file, and you can click that to move through the process for installing the program on your computer. The first time you play MTG Arena, there's probably going to be a lot of updates, and there's a very large update that came out this week which created a lot of cool functions such as having a friends list and adding new play modes such as Historic, and included some practical updates that allow your computer to run more efficiently when games go long. When the program finally completes installing, updating, and loading all of the assets, you will be taken to a screen that will allow you to register for a new account. Pick a screen name and password, input your personal information, and then you will be prompted to go through a little tutorial where a bot teaches you how to perform some of the basic mechanics of the game. However, for experienced players, this is going to feel like a waste of time because the only new thing you're learning is how to cast cards and interact with spells in the new play space. Once you beat all 5 bot opponents, you'll get to collect 5 mono-colored decks and pick your avatar, and then a banner will come up saying if there's any banned cards in the format. When you enter, you'll be taken to a dashboard where you can see all sorts of things, and we'll talk about a lot of those in more detail in a later video. From here, you can see at the top you have your home button. You can click your profile to change your avatar. You can click on the Decks tab where you can see the decks that you own and enter Deck Builder mode to build new decks. You can click on the store where you can purchase gems that you can use to purchase packs and other little things. You'll notice that when you first sign up, you actually have these promotional bundle packs that are going to allow you to purchase things at a lower rate, such as the 2020 standard bundle, including 1,000 gems. There's also 10 booster packs among all of the current sets in standard. You can purchase the Explorer bundle, which will give you gems and altered art versions of cards. as well as a welcome bundle for just $5 where you get 2,500 gems and 5 packs. To me, all of these intro bundles are worth the $30 investment because once you start exploring the store in more detail, you're going to see that gems are kind of expensive, but they're also really important because they're going to allow you to buy more packs and enter into specialized events. You can also go to the Mastery tab and as you unlock things, you are going to get new cards, new packs, new decks, and that's going to help you build better decks as you move forward in the game. So you really don't have to purchase a lot or buy into the game big time up front in order to have fun and really learn how to play. In the next video, we are going to explore gameplay in Arena. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can get all of our videos as they are released so you can learn more about how to play Magic the Gathering through Arena and other formats as well.